Billing, paying a single payment via your bank account. Navigate to the Tutella home screen dashboard and either select the Billing option from the Settings menu or by selecting Go to Billing on the dashboard. Navigate to the payment you wish to settle, and from here you can either click the Pay Now button or you can choose to view or download your invoice first. Select the Use Your Bank Account payment method. From here you can now download our bank account details and make the payment outside of the Tutella platform through your own bank account. Once payment has been made, obtain a statement or payment record from your bank and use the Upload Your Bank Statement option to upload the relevant payment instruction. Once uploaded, select Confirm Payment. Your payment will be shown as pending a review, and usually within a few working days, once the payment has been received and reviewed, the status will be updated with the payment date. Don't forget to log out of Tutella once you have completed all payments. Look out for more Tutella videos on our YouTube channel.